Island 133 Restaurant by J.C. Architecture and Design in Taiwan. Crafting a multifunctional space from what was once an outdated cigarette factory, this design project, namely Island 133, aims to create a remarkable impression on people while incorporating a unique dining experience. Honoring the old manufacturer's characteristics and visual verticality, the space incorporates elements of Taiwanese modernism, creating an urban oasis that reflects life on the island of Taiwan. The design strives to create a harmonious combination of contrasting elements that do not overshadow the original architectural identity. Moreover, as a nod to the factory's history, Island 133 is committed to incorporating the existing structure without using any bolts, employing innovative techniques for seamless integration. Explore and taste. Beyond architectural transformation into a bistronomy, Island 133 can also house multiple exhibitions moving forward, which serve as a platform to promote local delicacies and educate visitors about the region's diverse culinary offerings for limited periods of time. As seen alongside the opening of Island 133, the curated and catering compound was introduced to the public with an exhibition titled Route to Table, showcasing Taiwan's edible flowers and plants to the world. Visitors had the opportunity to embark on a culinary journey as these flowers and plants take their taste buds on a global exploration. Sustainability redefined. Newly installed square boxes double as a bar counter and lounge area while also presenting themselves in the manner of a piece of art, creating an encompassing dining journey as the multi-course feast extends from the kitchen backstage, travels past the runway, and meets guests at the dining tables. The elevated stage is created using partially collectible stone slabs. Richly made in Hualien, Taiwan, these local, natural, and irregularly shaped stone slabs depict images that are uniquely Taiwan while embodying the concept of 4R, reduce, reuse, repair, and recycle. By integrating the richness of the cuisine world with a meticulously designed dining experience, Island 133 aims to create a truly immersive and unforgettable space. It celebrates the fusion of art, architecture, and gastronomy, inviting guests to savor the delights of nature while enjoying a captivating ambience that seamlessly weaves together the past, present, and culinary future.